YoungOdette here, and welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, wonderful. Well, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always coming back to my channel. My genuine supporters, thank you guys so much. So in today's video, I have this very simple makeup look for you guys. A little bit nudish, a little pop of shimmer on the eyes, a slight pop of color on the lips. I'm trying to come up with very simple makeup looks for the spring and summer season, because you guys know I don't like to put too many things on my face. So if you guys want to see how I came up with this look, keep watching, and everything that I use on my face is going to be down below just in case you want to pick up on something. And I did use two of these palettes. This is from SHEGLAM. You guys would have seen this in a haul sometime back. I'm going to link the card somewhere for you just in case you want to check it out. These palettes are amazing. So the video is coming up next, just in case you guys want to see how I came up with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate all of you. Leave me your comments in the description box below. Let me know what you think of this look. Thank you guys so much, and I shall see you next time. Doodles.